I just want our audience to know that you came in the studio a moment ago, red hot on an Apple ruling at the U.S. Supreme Court.
You know, one would
what happened?
One would think that this is in the weeds, but it's not. So we all have apps on our phones, and some of them are free, and some of them you buy from Apple. So people sued Apple saying, "Why am I paying $99 for an app that's really worth $25 or $30?" And the courts threw the case out, saying you can't sue Apple in a class action. You have to sue the originator of the app. How do you find the originator of the app, and does he have deep pockets? This morning, the Supreme Court of the United States radically expanded plaintiffs' rights to commence class actions against deep-pocketed corporations. And what alliance was it? The 4 liberal members of the court and its newest member, Justice Brett Kavanaugh, writing a decision that is a plaintiff's lawyer's delight.
You did not see this coming.
I did not see it coming. Because all the indications about Brett Kavanaugh were that he was this monolithic conservative that wouldn't even listen to the other side. And during the course of the unfortunate hearings that he had, when he was allowed to talk about his political philosophy, he said, "I am not a monolithic anything. I listen to the facts and I apply the law." Today, he and the 4 liberal members of the court radically expanded the rights of plaintiffs to bring class actions.
Let me just pass on what you were telling me and let me know if it's accurate. The Rehnquist court established that if you had a case such as this, you have to go to the originator of the content.
Correct.
Which would be the person who develops the app.
Correct.
In this case, you can go after Apple, the company that distributes the app.
The company from which you bought it. The originator sells it for $50. Apple adds 49 and sells it to you. They want to challenge that 49.
Why is this such a transformation then?
Because Apple has deep pockets, enormous deep pockets, and most of the originators don't.
Fair enough.
So this is a huge litigation that Apple now has to confront.
You've been reading all morning, and maybe the court's changing, right? Yet again.
In ways we never expected.
Thank you, Judge.
You're
Good
welcome,
stuff
Bill.
there. All right, back
Pleasure.
to Sandra now.
Tensions high in the Persian Gulf.
Iran is destabilizing the Middle East. The military coming in